Hello, friends. Oops. It is the week before the 4th of July. I'm meeting my girlfriends for dinner and then the City of Chino's fireworks. We try to go every year, and let's do it. Let's see what they have. Sorry, I'm late.
Yeah, I came to the house. Why were you so late?
I don't know. Hi, pretty Rochelle, Dash, Megan. Wait, where are we eating?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccinos. That's one of your favorites.
My very favorite.
Okay, so look at that's. Are we in an eating disorder clinic? What's going on? This is
I'm
really hungry.
not you.
a bowl for me.
Oh, well, not me.
Yes.
Not you.
Salmon salad.
Are you ready?
Oh my god!
Of course I'm down for the cookie
I
lady.
have this. I have these here. That's it. Okay, she's got. What do you have? Blessed America.
I know, what does
Blessed
it say?
America.
Blessed America. Blessed America.
Blessed America.
Blessed America. What's the song that you're gonna play on now?
house, that lady.
Yay, some country western.
I love John Cougar. I love John Cougar so much. Yeah, he does, sort of. He's more rock. Was it fun? Happy 4th of July! Woo! Red, white, and blue! Hey, Dash! What'd you think? You like it? Okay, we'll see you guys on our next adventure! Bye! Bye!